Hey y'all, come clean my nasty ass house for me, okay? Lately I've been depressed in the bed. I just came out my girl this month. I didn't feel like doing nothing. Nothing, nada. So my house is a mess right now. I can't even lie. It is. Tub nasty, toilet nasty, bedroom nasty, got clothes and everything just everywhere, y'all. Do not judge me, okay? That's all I gotta say. But yeah, y'all, I'm right here and cleaning my nightstand off because I got my I got everything on here, y'all. I got bottles, sunflower seeds, bottles, everything, y'all. Cleaned that off, and then I had cleaned off my little dresser. Now I'm picking up clothes, 'cause that's mostly what's in my room, y'all. It's just clothes everywhere. Clothes and towels, it's just everywhere. Everybody clothes end up in my room. I don't understand why. Like, I don't understand how my daughter clothes end up in my room when she got her own room. But anyway, y'all, I'm just picking up everything and clearing out dirty baskets, clean baskets, just getting everything put in order and organized. And then I decided to make my bed before I swept. I like to wipe things down and make my bed up and everything before I actually sweep and mop. And I didn't mop on camera. I just swept on camera. But yeah, I decided to make my bed. It's been a long time since I got up out of bed to actually make it. So yeah, y'all, this is just what it is. And then y'all, he just talking about the dress could fit in a small ass spot, and I'm telling him it don't. But you know, a nigga think they know everything, they always right. So I just had to let him do him so he could understand that wasn't a good idea. Because I just told you it ain't gonna fit.
I'm gonna clean that tub.
So he had to learn the hard way. So here I'm lighting a candle, y'all. I have not lit a candle in my apartment in a long time, so I decided to go ahead and light a candle. My brother had inspired me, so I went on and lit my little candle in my room. And then I also brought my mirror in my room that was in the front room. And it looked a little cute right here, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm cleaning up the bathroom, wiping everything down, cleared off the counter. And yeah, I'm getting to this tub. Now, as my baby daddy is the only nasty ass nigga who just dirty the tub every time he step in there. Like, I just don't understand. How is it her and shit everywhere? Like, I don't know. Like, I just don't like getting in any wet surface. I don't like to be wet and see wet hair. I just don't like that. It just feels so nasty to me. But yeah, y'all, that was it for this cleaning video. Follow for more.